O'Neill South Elementary School. Thank you for inviting me today to join you in celebrating this memorable event, your graduation day. My respect to Almighty God for bringing us all here today. To our happy graduates, to our parents, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is my privilege to be here in my alma mater as your guest speaker for today's graduation ceremony with the theme, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. First of all, congratulations to you graduates. You have all worked hard and accomplished so much during your time at this school. From learning to read and write, to solving math problems, and exploring science experiments, you have shown dedication and perseverance in everything you do. And let's not forget the countless memories you've made along the way. From recess games to field trips, art projects, and music performances, your parents are very proud of your achievements. Their hearts are joyful to see you marching with them. Ang ilang talipay kay dili jud mabayran sa bisan pila nga salapi in the fact that you are graduating today. I want to extend my heartfelt congratulations to each and every parents and teachers here today. Thank you for your role in helping these students reach this moment. Your support and guidance have been invaluable, and I know that you will continue to be a source of inspiration and encouragement for these students as they move forward. The knowledge, skills, and attitude they acquired from you will become their foundation and weapon as they continue the next chapter of their school life. I wanted to share one memory of my Mama Bagyo about sa pag-eskwela. So I vividly remember, nag-ingon si Mama, na Jing, iskwela og tarong day. Kay dili ko gusto na manalmong nakasama na ako pag ako nimo. And yes, nitatak ko siya sa ako. So way back those days na nag-eskwela pa ko, I really did my best. I graduated here as first honorable mention batch of 2016-2017. Nikugid ko sa akong pagtuon from elementary until college. Naitugay-bugay ginagmay, but I really gave my all para mahumanjog ko sa akong pag-eskwela. Not because I was in fear na mapahiya ako sa aking mama or I degraded my mom's work. But clearly, something from what she said hit my core. I wanted to fulfill my mom's dream of having a stable job and comfortable life. My parents have difficulties to make a living.